What is the real meaning of mud dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these type of dreams. So there are some common types of mud dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees mud in a dream, then it indicates to adopt a positive attitude towards life. Because when a person has too much negative thinking and feelings and lack of clarity in his mind, then he saw such a mud dreams. Now number 2. If someone sees walking himself in the mud in a dream, then it indicates the obstacles in the completion of any work or plans. So to get the desired result, you should have very clear goals or targets in life. Now number 3. If someone sees himself playing, enjoying and jumping in the mud in a dream, then this dream is considered very auspicious and indicates some kind of big positive changes in life soon. That will give you tremendous success despite some minor obstacles in real life. Now number 4. If someone sees himself stuck in the mud in a dream, then it indicates some kind of inner conflict among desires as well as impure thoughts and feelings. So to avoid these problems, you should choose your desires according to the priority of life. Now number 5. If someone sees mud on his clothes in a dream, then it gives a kind of warning to check your thoughts, feelings and actions, because your bad intentions can ruin your reputation in any way. Now number 6. If someone sees muddy roads in a dream, then it indicates that maybe you have chosen the wrong or tough path for yourself in real life to achieve something that will give you desired result after immense hard work. Now number 7. If someone sees his or her car stuck in the mud in a dream, then it indicates taking care of your health and emotions, as well as this dream also indicates cross-checking your plans, feelings and actions towards something, because something needs your attention now. Now number 8. If someone sees falling in the mud in a dream, then it indicates a lack of clarity and direction in life. So to avoid these problems, you should set very clear goals as soon as possible. Otherwise, you will have to face many unwanted problems in waking life. Now number 9. If someone sees himself driving in the mud in a dream, then it indicates your passion and dedication for your goals in life. But before executing any plans, you should cross-check once, because something very important thing is missing in your plan that can slow your speed of achievement. Now number 10. If someone sees himself or herself running in the mud in a dream, then it indicates a feeling of frustrations and disappointment due to getting delayed in desired result in waking life. So now you need to think positive thoughts and feelings as soon as possible. Now number 11. If someone sees himself or herself sliding in the mud in a dream, then it indicates to solve your life problems rather than avoiding them as soon as possible, because these problems are hindering your progress in waking life. Now number 12. If someone sees muddy water, river, canal, pond, etc. in a dream, then it indicates the feeling of guilt and disappointment or past memories in waking life. So to avoid these problems, you should eliminate these negative emotions and thoughts as soon as possible, because you don't need these things now for better future and life. Now number 13. If someone sees a muddy flood in a dream, then it indicates urgent changes in your behavior, feelings and actions, because something better is waiting for you in the coming future that will give you the desired result in waking life. Now number 14. If someone sees muddy shoes in a dream, then it gives a kind of warning towards any unsuccessful journey, or you will face many obstacles to get the desired result in waking life.